Former champion jockey Dick Cardenas makes a return to the saddle at Cardenas Park this weekend after being sidelined for a few months because of injury. Spencer Darlington tells us more.
2011 champion jockey Dick Cardenas has secured 4 mounts on Saturday's 9-race card at Cardenas Park, signaling his return to competitive race riding after being out of the saddle for almost 3 months. The 37-year-old rider suffered 3 broken ribs and a punctured lung after falling from his mount The Inevitable in race number 4 on the December 18 program of last year. He underwent surgery at the University Hospital of the West Indies and then went to the United States for further treatment.
I go to one private doctor in Florida, and them do X-ray to my chest. They do them do like almost three times. I go to do X-ray in my chest, and they say it's clean. And after they do a blood test for any other problems. So I'm being checking with him all the time and check a few little things, but the doctor over there say was all right, everything.
In the meantime, Cardenas has also decided to change his agent from one veteran to another in moving from Donovan Wilson to Lerone Lee.
I do good with Donovan. I do really good, but I believe I need a change now. So I decided to do like a change. You know, sometimes change, sometimes good. I get approval from a lot of trainers. Them said yes, them want to keep giving me rides in a way. So I think I'm going to do a little bit more better, you know. I expect to do better and better, you know.
Lee, who has been working as a jockey's agent for 16 years, spoke about what racing fans should expect from Cardenas going forward.
I'm a very aggressive agent, so you might see a difference with Dick Cardenas' riding style. He will be more aggressive, he'll be more assertive. And you just see a lot of changes as far as an agent is concerned. I like when my riders ride a certain way, and I'm trying to bring that out in him. So you'll see a big difference in Dick Cardenas' riding style.
Lee is also the agent for 4-time champion jockey Dane Nelson, who departed the island on Wednesday for another stint on the Canadian circuit. However, Lee does not foresee any conflict of interest when Nelson returns later this year.
No, having Dick Cardenas and Dane Nelson is definitely a luxury. It's an agent's dream. So I think I will have the best of both worlds. Having a top flight rider like Dane Nelson and a jockey like Dick Cardenas. Both of them ride at different weights, so it would be easy for me to solicit rides for them.
On Saturday, Cardenas will partner Sir Kell in the 3rd event, Hail Mary in the 4th, King Anthelo in race number 6, and Artesia in the 7th event. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.